Hi, today I will be explaining to you what an affiliate marketer is and how they make money. Now, suppose you've got a website and you're looking for a product to promote and you've chosen earbuds, which is very popular around the summer period for running, going to the gym, things like that. As you can see, this one has noise cancellation, which is perfect for noisy areas. Now, people that want a product like this, they normally don't know where to get it. So what normally would happen is they would go to Google. Now, if they go to Google and they type it in, most likely this is what they will get. You will see a site like this, which is ranking quite high. It's because normally these sites are review sites, right? Now, if you click here, it'll normally take you to a site like this. Okay. Now, when you get there, you get a more in-depth review about the product. We'll read pros and cons, everything like that about the product. And normally within the review process, you will see links. See all these links here? Earbuds, award-winning stuff, find out more, how we test it, all these things. And here you would see something similar to this. See that Amazon here and at Sony. All these things are affiliate links. If I click any of these links, it will take me to one of these sites where this company, this website are affiliates for. Okay, so if I click Amazon, it takes me here. That's the earbuds they were looking for. Now in the URL up here, you should see something called a tag. Okay, so if you search it right here, you should see it, it's called tag. This tag, okay, lets Amazon know that this website referred you to them. If I go and I purchase this now, okay, this website will get compensated for it. They will get a commission for it. Okay. And that's basically how affiliate marketers make money. So if you've got a review website like this, and it's the summer period, like I said in the beginning, and you're looking for something to promote, you said, hey, I'm going to make a review about this earbud. So I made a review. I wrote off everything. I've got several links in there. If anyone clicks any of those links, they come in here, they make a purchase, I get money. That's basically what it is. Okay. Now, guys, this is basically the same concept as social media as well. So if you've got a large social media following, you would see link, check the link in my bio, which is the same process. Which is a link, you click it, takes you to the site, you make a purchase, the influencer gets money. Promoting products, yeah, for a commission. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. You don't need to worry about customer service, dealing with people, refunds, nothing like that. Guys, if you like this video, okay, please hit the like, the subscribe, and the bell notification. And if you want to find out the basics of affiliate marketing and how to get started with it, you can click the link in my description where I've got a free ebook in there just explaining the basic steps that you need to take when starting off on this journey. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.